Greetings guys. So today I am here at Super Quick William Moffat and KC Auto Works rim repairs. So I'm bringing in the MK1 in for a wheel change and tire change, and one of the wheels have a buckle in, so we're gonna check him out as well. But yeah, let's go check him out. Suresh over here, just a bit of a review as you heard, super quick.
Came early this morning. I must say, not even half an hour. My car's on and alignment's been done. Great service always from Sheelan and the guys. I must say it's a diverse gang that he has here, and brilliant
Thanks.
service.
Thanks, uncle.
You're welcome.
Flip mode me now.
Yo.
Just say king shine, makes the heart shine.
Make my heart.
Yes, so we got Mr. Bradley over here all the way from Polo Nation. Just tell him what's happening next week.
Hi guys, I'm Bradley. So we're having our first event for 2025 at Motors and More, Newton Park. So you guys are all welcome. All makes and models and pickups, trucks, bakkies, taxis, anything are welcome. So catch us the 31st of May, Saturday, at Motors and More. All are welcome. Bring your auntie, uncle, anyone in the family are welcome. Catch us there, free entry. We'll be having food stalls and some sponsors over there. So yes, catch us there next week. Shot guys.
Ah, wait.